Welcome back, real estate filmmakers. So today we're going to be talking about
why gear doesn't matter.
And editing does. What we're going to be doing is we're going to go through a real estate video that I actually filmed on my GH4. Now, at the time of filming this video, I was competing with other video production companies that had much better gear than me, and so in order to compete, I had to focus on my editing. I had to upskill my editing, my transitions, and do everything I could to get the best out of this camera. You know, when the competition saw the kind of videos that I was doing, they thought the answer to their problems, why their footage didn't look as good, was that they needed better gear, not realizing that I was actually shooting this video on a little good old GH4. This is a very old camera in today's standards, but when we go through this video together, I will be sharing my secrets,
Nice.
bit of the background about how I achieved some of the things that I did, and if you wait till the end of the video, I will show you how you can get a step-by-step, in-depth editing breakdown, so stick around to the end to see that. So, can a real estate video really be that good with a GH4? Well, let's jump into the edit and find out. So what we're going to do is we're going to watch it back one time fully through so you can experience the video for all it's worth, and then we'll go back and watch it again, and I'll add my commentary and tell you the hows and whys I did certain things. So let's start the video now.
I'm Renee Hui from Ray White, and I'd love to welcome you to 23 Harvard Grove right here in Towtra Park. Let's take a look.
What do you guys think? So I was pretty proud of this video when it came out a little while ago, and I was mainly quite proud of it because of the fact that I used a GH4 to achieve a lot of the results you saw there. And so we're going to watch it back again, and then I'm going to give you guys my commentary, my thoughts on how and why I did certain things. So before we jump into it, I think one thing that makes it work really well is the fact that it tells a story. You know, there's a beginning, there's a middle, and an end, and it follows a logical path. And so I think that's one thing that made it really stand out, is the fact that it had a very logical story. So let's watch this through, and I'll add my commentary as we go through it. So to do a day to night transition, it's really simple. All you do is walk in a similar spot in both the daytime and nighttime and use some sort of transition to transition between the two. And so you can use a chalk marker on the ground to make sure that you know where you're going. use your guides on your screen to get the day and night positions. Something else that you might notice is that I've added ambience and sound effects, because video is both visual and audio, and so you want to use the best of both worlds to really immerse your viewer in the video.
I'm Renee Hui from Ray White, and I'd love to work.
What you wouldn't have noticed is that I actually added a blur using just masking around her to try and make my camera seem better, like it had a better depth of field than it did. So that was one little hack that I used to try and upgrade
23
my camera.
Harvard Grove right here in Towtra Park. Let's take a look.
I don't know if you noticed that, but I just transitioned from day to night in the middle of that. If you want to see how I did that, wait till the end. So I love how smooth that segment was. I called them one take wonders. Who thought that was cool? I like that. I'm just gonna wrap up the video there because I think you've seen enough. If you want to get a full breakdown of the editing, then check out the description for the Facebook group below. I posted a in-depth editing tutorial there. Otherwise, subscribe to this video for more entertaining video breakdowns of some other edits I've done. I've been Philip Brunette from Real Estate Filmmaking, and it's been great talking to you. See you next time.